Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to install Python on macOS. So guys, if you are using macOS and you want to install Python, so I will give a link, and also you can search this one python.org/downloads/. So you will see latest version for Windows, and also here is the option macOS. Click on it. So here you will see this link. I will give this link in description. So just open this one, and here is the latest Python release. Python release for macOS. This is the 3.10.5 version. So select it and download and install. Here you can check out major new features of the 3.10 series compared to 3.9. Here you can compare and check all versions. So this is the link for downloading Python on your OS system. Thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not.